how to get an American accent in 11 Labs. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can get an American accent in 11 Labs. So to get an American accent in 11 Labs, you would have to set it yourself. You have to adjust your voice settings to sound like that of an American. And how do you do that? First of all, have an 11 Labs account, of course, and then once your account has been created and you've logged in, click on the text box and write out the text that you would like to be converted to speech in an American accent. And then once you've done that, scroll down to the voice actor position, which is next to your settings position. And by clicking on the voice actor, select the voice actor that has a voice very similar to that of an American. So you can see some voice actors here. You can see American next to it, which shows that these actors will have an American accent. So once you can just select it, and like as you can see, this is a pro version. This is a pro voice. All right, this voice is only available on the upgraded version of Elevenlabs. So you can do well to upgrade if you're not on the upgraded version already, so that you can make use of this particular voice. And then once you've upgraded and you can use the voice, I'll be using another voice actor as an example since I cannot use that particular voice actor. I hope that is clear. And once you've selected the voice actor with an American accent or that's similar to an American accent, go ahead, click on your settings icon. Then by the right side of the screen, you'll see your settings options displayed. So the next step would be for you to fine-tune the stability, the similarity, the style exaggeration until you can get what you want. So by fine-tuning the stability, the accent of the voice would also be adjusted to get the exact American accent that you're looking for. And so after fine-tuning, scroll down to the bottom part of the box and then click on regenerate speech, and then your text would be set out an American accent. So this is an answer to your question of how you can get an American accent on Elevenlabs. And I hope this video has really helped you. Thank you for watching and do have a nice day.